But the other thing to consider about it being for you is with me being a 2 and me prioritizing relationships, an apology can also be manipulative,
Hmm.
where I am trying to get back in your good graces, therefore I will apologize.
Yeah, but what if you were never out?
Well, and it's like it's self-abandonment is what it is.
Yeah.
It's I'm abandoning myself to preserve the relationship.
Yeah.
It's not authentic. It's manipulation.
Right.
There are very few times where I have demanded an apology, but those few times are like core memories for me.
What were they? Is there like context to what makes you feel like you need the apology now?
There definitely one was with parent relationships, and it wasn't even necessarily an apology that I was demanding. I was demanding a change in behavior. And that was when I felt like my most authentic self because I was like, I know I am right. I know that me demanding this is going to be what I need. And it was an immediate change. So that's interesting to think about too, versus the manipulation feeling that I have when I'm needing an apology, maybe, or if I'm giving one or receiving one. Like there's very different body feelings associated with that.
I think, yeah, demanding a change in behavior, that doesn't usually go very well for me. Just in terms of like, I'll be like, I need this to change. And then like the actual thing of it changing doesn't often, right? Like you need somebody who wants to change. And I don't
Mhm.
know that like that takes a really self-aware person too. That can be really hard for people.
Oh my God, I did it. I did it with my husband this week where he cannot get out of bed in the morning. Like it is a thing. He cannot get out of bed. And it's like first week of summer school. There's like the most random shit that needs to be put in the backpack ahead of time. We had track this week, we had baseball, and now with this new summer schedule, and we have a puppy that I'm trying to make sure it doesn't poop in the house. And this man came down at like they need to leave by 7:15 to get to daycare so my oldest can get the bus to summer school. This man comes downstairs and I looked at him and I was like, I need you to get your ass out of bed in the morning. I can't hawk the dog to make sure he's not going to poop or pee in this house while we're potty training, get all the backpacks ready, get the children fed, get myself ready, all before a reasonable time. That's not happening anymore. And he's like, okay, yeah, my bad. I slept in. I will wake up earlier. Like, thank you. Shit. Why it takes me as long as it does for me to get to that point is a whole other topic.
Yes. For me in those type of situations where it's like, I need this from you, I think it's more of the repeat behavior where it's like, I've told you already, like, I need you to do this thing. And then, like, you haven't done it. And here we are again, having the conversation again.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I remembered my thought
Yeah.
because you said about marriages and like parent child.
Yeah.
So, parent child is super interesting now, parenting. Like, I'm sure other millennials will reconcile this. And there's so much content out there about like healing yourself while trying to like,
Raise children.
yeah. But it's this concept of when I pop off and lose my patience, I end up apologizing at some point. It's sometimes not right away. It will sometimes be after one of them like holds me accountable to like, you're so mad all the time, or like say something that like really just jabs you right in the heart. But it's, they actually teach it now. It's called like something unexpected.
Oh, yeah.
Like, oh, that was unexpected.
Yeah. Casey was talking about that when she
Yeah.
was on. Yeah.
So I end up apologizing and this is like a whole interesting topic I'm going to have to think through on my own, but I say, you know, I'm sorry I raised my voice. I was frustrated. Here's why. I need you to do this differently. My reaction was not appropriate, but, and it's that kind of like EQ that a lot of millennial parents are trying to teach.
Yeah.
It's like your actions impact other people.
Yeah. We've talked about this many times, but I'm so curious, like this generation of kids and how that will be in the world.